Hi everyone, I'm Zharif Mahmud from Navy Anchorage School and College Dhaka, and today I'm going to tell you about Global Scholars Olympiad 2025. So it's basically an Olympiad which focuses on STEM C education, and I have registered for subjects like mathematics, science, and brain game. So what these subjects will provide you is different problem solving skills. In brain game you can enhance your creativity and problem solving. In mathematics you can solve numerous mathematical problems like related to measurements, like related to algebra. And in science you can explore the science world, including motion laws and many other more things. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to www.globalscholarsolympiad.org and then click the registration button and fill up the necessary informations with a maximum of choosing 3 subjects, and then you have to complete the registration as soon as possible because the seats are very limited.